it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. Today we're going to count up the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the numbers like first, second, these numbers, okay? And some of them are very tricky to say. So let's focus on the sounds of each number. Are you ready? Let's go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now do you listen to this one? Fifth, sixth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and listen carefully, 20th. Now when you go beyond 20, it goes like this: 21st, 22nd. So you just have the normal number plus the ordinal number in the second part when you go beyond 20. Okay, now some of these are pretty difficult, I know, because of the thirteenth. Yes, so why don't you put in the comments which ordinal number do you find difficult, and maybe you could tell me which day your birthday is on. My birthday is on the 3rd of April. I won't tell you the year though. So that's ordinal numbers. Also, please remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos on pronunciation and accents, because I regularly upload videos to YouTube, and I have my Facebook page called The British Native Speaker on Facebook as well, so please stay in touch. So now all I need to do is say see you later and stay connected. Bye.